Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's Kitchen. Today I am making a delicious sweet recipe called Hayagreeva. It is also a good recipe to offer the goddess as a naivedyam. This recipe needs very simple ingredients. First of all, wash and pressure cook 1/4 cup of chana dal until it is crushed between your fingers. You also need fresh or frozen grated coconut, about 1/4 cup of jaggery, few cashew nuts and black or golden raisins. You will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade ghee and some cardamom seeds. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and heat it on medium heat. Once the ghee is hot, add cashew nuts and fry them. When the cashew nuts are almost fried, add the raisins and fry them. When they both are fried, transfer them into a bowl. In the same ghee, add 1/4 cup of grated coconut and fry it. Here I am using grated frozen coconut, but if you have fresh coconut, you can use that. You don't have to fry the coconut, but I like the taste of coconut when it is fried in ghee. Fry the coconut until you smell a nice aroma. You can add a little bit of ghee if you want. When the coconut is fried, transfer it into another bowl. In the same pan, take about 1/4 tablespoon of water and add the jaggery to it. Let it melt completely. Once the jaggery is melted, reduce the flame to low-medium flame and let it bubble. For a rich taste, add 1 tablespoon of extra jaggery. When the jaggery syrup started bubbling, add the freshly ground cardamom powder and cooked chana dal. Stir it once and add the fried coconut also and keep stirring. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and continue stirring. It is going to be very delicious and nutritious too. Once it is coming together and leaving the oil, go ahead and add the fried raisins and cashews and switch off the flame. Add 1 more tablespoon of ghee before you switch off the flame. I know it is a lot of ghee, but the prasadam is going to be very delicious. Make this Hayagreeva sweet in one of these Navaratri days and offer it to the goddess. I hope you all like this recipe. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share it on your social media for others. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please connect me on my Facebook and also visit my Telugu channel for more delicious recipes.